The step-by-step process on the Department of Education SIM card activation in partnership with Smart. Step 1. Download the Giga Life app on your phone. It is available on Android and iOS. Step 2. Log in using your new SIM card number and input your preferred password, then press sign up. Step 3. Read and check the boxes of the app's terms and conditions and privacy policy, then press I accept. Step 4. Once registered, you'll be redirected to the app's user interface. Step 5. Click the Check Usage to check your initial load balance of 34 GB. DepEd 3491. It has 34 GB monthly data allowance, a 1.02 GB study anywhere, a 4.1 GB shareable data, an additional extra data per month, the excess usage in the static anywhere will deduct here, and a 100 MB free data from Giga Life. The excess annual